You just found the 2023 Nissan Frontier. Here's a hardworking Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, proximity key entry, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, lane keeping assist, V6 cylinder engine. Feel ready to meet the challenge in this capable Frontier. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.